Good morning everyone, welcome to Markets Daily by Bajaj Broking. I am Hardik, your host and guide to the latest market insights. Let's dive into today's top news and key updates shaping the financial landscape. First on the news is Paytm, as NPCI has granted approval to 197 Communications Ltd, OCL, to onboard new UPI users. The company was previously barred by the RBI from onboarding new users following a January 31 order. This development marks a significant turnaround for Paytm, boosting its UPI growth prospects. Second on the news is Adani Energy, which has received a notice from SEBI over improper investor classification. This regulatory scrutiny puts the spotlight on corporate governance issues within the Adani Group, which has been under increased regulatory and public attention. Thirdly, RITES has secured a 454 crore rupees turnkey contract in Karnataka, further enhancing its project portfolio. This contract win is expected to boost the company's revenue and solidify its position in the engineering consultancy space. Lastly, in the equities market, FIIs net sold 3,978.61 crore rupees, while DIIs net bought 5,869.06 crore rupees in yesterday's session. Yesterday, Bajaj Finance, Zomato, and Paytm released their quarterly financial results for FY 24-25. Bajaj Finance reported consolidated revenue of 17,090 crore rupees with a PAT profit after tax of 4,014 crore rupees, reflecting a 13% year-on-year growth. Paytm posted revenue of 1,660 crore rupees with a PAT of 930 crore rupees, while Zomato reported revenue of 4,799 crore rupees and a PAT of 176 crore rupees. These results highlight the continued performance and growth trajectories of the respective companies across different sectors. Now, turning our focus to the Indian markets. GIFT Nifty suggests a flat opening for the Indian market amid mixed global cues. Nifty spot bias remains down and is likely to consolidate in the range of 24,250 to 24,600. Let's look at the market in the previous session. Indian stock markets saw a significant decline on Tuesday, with the benchmark indices falling by over 1% due to a broad-based sell-off across various sectors, especially financials, oil and gas, and auto stocks. Several factors contributed to the bearish sentiment, such as a sharp increase in US bond yields reduced the attractiveness of Indian assets as foreign investors favored safer options, affecting fund flows into emerging markets like India. Ongoing geopolitical tensions, particularly the conflict in the Middle East, have added to investor concerns, creating more market volatility. Weak corporate earnings and continuous selling by foreign institutional investors (FIIs) have further weighed on the market performance. The Sensex on yesterday's session was down by 931 points or 1.2% to finish at 80,220, while the Nifty declined 309 points or 1.3% to end at 24,472. Nifty outlook for short term. Index has formed a sizable bear candle with a lower high and lower low signaling continuation of the downward bias. Nifty in the process has generated a breakdown below the last 11 sessions trading range, which was 24,700 to 25,250, highlighting acceleration of the downtrend and open up downside towards 24,250 levels in the coming sessions, being the measuring implication of the last 11 sessions range. The index needs to form a higher high and higher low on a sustained basis to signal a pause in the downtrend. Failure to do so will keep the bias down, with resistance placed at 24,800 to 24,900 levels. Immediate support is placed at 24,300 to 24,250, while key short-term support is placed at 24,000 to 23,800 levels, being the low of August 2024. Let's look at intraday levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For Nifty, resistance is situated at 24,580 followed by 24,700 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 24,370 followed by 24,250. For Bank Nifty, resistance is situated at 51,450 followed by 51,750 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 50,900 followed by 50,550. Talking about global markets, on Tuesday, the S&P 500 closed slightly lower, down 0.1% to 5,851.20 points, while the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.2% to 18,572.17 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average remained flat at 42,924.89 points. Rising treasury yields and mixed corporate earnings influenced the market. Additionally, uncertainty over the upcoming US presidential election, with Donald Trump's odds improving over Kamala Harris's, weighed on sentiment. The IMF raised its US growth forecast to 2.8% for the year, citing stronger than expected consumption. General Motors surged 10% after beating Q3 earnings expectations. Let's delve into the developments in the Asian markets. Asia Pacific markets trading mixed on today's morning trade, with investors awaiting the trading debut of Japan's subway operator Tokyo Metro. Economic data that will be coming out of Asia includes September inflation numbers from Singapore. Japan's Nikkei 225 traded just below the flat line on Wednesday, with the broad-based topics also down marginally. South Korea's KOSPI climbed 0.25% and the small cap KOSDAQ rose 0.51%. Taking a closer look at the derivative data, let's analyze the insights into Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty options for today's trading session. For Nifty, highest call OI is positioned at 25,000 followed by 25,200 level, whereas the highest put OI is positioned at the 24,000 level. Huge call OI addition was seen at strikes between 24,500 and 24,800, and put unwinding was seen between 24,600 and 24,900, indicating stiff resistance at higher levels. Put writers shifted their positions between 24,300 and 24,400, indicating support at lower levels. According to option chain analysis, broader range for the Nifty is 24,000 and 24,800. The Nifty put call ratio is now positioned at 0.73. For Bank Nifty, the highest call OI is positioned at 52,500 followed by 53,000 levels, whereas the highest put OI is positioned at the 51,000 followed by 49,500 level. Huge call OI addition was seen at strikes between 51,500 and 52,000, and put unwinding was seen between 51,500 and 52,000, indicating stiff resistance at higher levels. Put writers moved to 50,800, indicating supports at lower level. According to option chain analysis, broader range for the Bank Nifty is 51,000 and 52,000. The Bank Nifty put call ratio is now positioned at 0.59. And that's all for today. To delve deeper into today's market insights and analysis, check out the caption below. See you tomorrow for more updates. Investments in the security markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents before investing.